Hello friends, welcome to my lab. My name is Jasmeet. This is my little sister Avneet. This is my baby Wolfie. And this is baby Panda. Today we're going to rub the volcano on the snow. No volcano? That work? Hey look. Work? Hey look. So we need vinegar, food color, baking soda, and soup. First we need to mix baking soda and food color. First, baking soda in here. Now food color. This is what it looks like after. Now we're going to put it in the snow mountain. Okay friends, we're outside now. We're going to put in the tube in the snow mountain. Okay. Now we're